Unraveling the meaning of extruder in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating word, extruder. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding specific terms can expand your vocabulary and comprehension in meaningful ways. So let's get started and explore the world of extruder. The word extruder comes from the verb extrude, which means to shape a material by forcing it through a die or an opening. An extruder is a machine or a device used for this purpose. This term is commonly used in manufacturing and industrial contexts. It's vital in processes where materials like plastic, metal, or even food are shaped and formed into continuous profiles. In everyday conversation, you might not come across the word extruder frequently. However, in specific fields like engineering, manufacturing, or culinary arts, it's a commonplace term. For example, in a factory, an employee might say, "The extruder is operating smoothly today, producing consistent plastic tubing." In a kitchen, a chef might refer to a pasta machine as an extruder when it shapes dough into various pasta shapes. Understanding the context where extruder is used helps in grasping its practical application. Let's see how extruder can be used in sentences. 1. The new extruder in the factory has doubled our production capacity. 2. During the tour, we saw an extruder shaping clay into bricks. 3. Is the dough extruder cleaned and ready for the next batch of spaghetti? These examples help in visualizing how extruder fits into everyday language, particularly in specific industries. It's helpful to know related terms. Extrude, the action performed by an extruder. Extrusion, the process of extruding materials. Die, the tool or part of the extruder that shapes the material. Understanding these terms provides a fuller picture of how extruder fits into the broader vocabulary of manufacturing and production. Thank you for joining us in exploring the term extruder. We hope this video has shed light on this specific yet interesting word and its usage in English. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a key step in mastering a language, and every new word is a step forward. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.